Guys, we just got so many potatoes. Check this out. Look at this. Look at how many potatoes we're getting.
Can you hang that up? Hold them
This
up
is
pretty.
heavy.
Oh, there they go. Never mind.
Very nice. All in that cluster. And imagine if we went all the way up like we were going to, how many we would have. God is good. Look at that. Look at how big these are. It's amazing.
That's the size I would expect to see, the red ones.
Like, maybe
The
like
little
this.
knobs, yeah.
Yeah.
The biggest.
But look at how big these are. These are huge. Very nice.
Tomato stash.
And they would have still been growing too, but we got that frost.
See, there's going to be some right here.
Oh yeah. All right. Oh yes. Look at that. Beautiful.
Got reds and yellows together.
Look at that.
I want to get out of your light. That's incredible.
Look at these. Yum. Look at. Check that out. So exciting.